Hi, I'm Belinda Sim.
And I'm Amber Sim with Sim Realty, and we're here today in the great room of our brand new listing, 1241 Bird Road. This room is so great because of its double height ceilings and very open floor plan. This property is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath, and it's 3,300 square feet of living area on a 12,000 square foot lot.
We could also have it as a 5-bedroom because we have the flexibility of a flex space in the front of the house. That could be another bedroom if somebody needed it.
So you have a split floor plan in the house where you have 3 bedrooms, 3 baths on one side, and then you have your family and common areas that separate the space from the extra 4th bedroom, which could function as a service bedroom, in-laws quarters, and it's great because it's right next to the indoor laundry and the 2-car garage with a separate entrance. In the grand room, you have space for family room, dining room. You have a huge kitchen with lots of storage. You have bar seating up to 6 people, and then you do also have a little eat-in nook area as well too. There's high-end appliances there, so you do have all Thermador. Really perfect if you enjoy cooking. Another great thing about the house is all of the natural light that it gets.
All the windows are double pane to really ensure that the house was sealed in and it was very private.
The other great thing about this property is the developer went ahead and finished all the closets, so it really is move-in ready.
Also, don't forget about our outdoor area. Pool sits off to one side, which is great because then you still have all this land on the other side. You have beautiful oak trees, you have a place for kids to run around. Then we have amazing landscaping, which makes it very private in the backyard, so you feel like you're in your own oasis. The property is entirely gated. We have an awesome circular driveway, which makes it very easy to get out. If you're interested in brand new construction and being the first owner of this property, come and check it out. We'd love to show it to you.
At Sim Realty, we have prime South Florida real estate, professional advice for buyers and sellers, and over 30 years of experience. Preview our listings and contact us today.